friend, collaborator,
colleague,
colleague,
for 30 or more years.
30 or more years.
Yes.
In some ways, this is a kind of full circle thing because we started our early postdoctoral studies careers together as vowing to focus on nursing education, which was a dangerous proposition.
It was challenging to do, wasn't it?
It was very challenging. Primarily due to your efforts, we had the great curriculum transformation project with NLN, and so it goes. And here now, I'm not going to say we're in the twilight of our years.
No,
I am not going to
we
say
are
that.
not there, right?
No, but you've done this amazing collaborative work with your colleagues in Oregon to create the Oregon Nursing Education Consortium, and I've heard many people say it's worthy of a study in social change because seldom do you get so much change to be so effective and sustained. And so I want to start out. I know most of the focus and the buzz about OCNE has been this terrific new model for articulating two-year programs and baccalaureate programs and to help the progression, and it's certainly done that. But we're going to focus on the absolutely innovative work at the curricular level. We're primarily going to focus on the curriculum level, but you really can't separate curriculum and pedagogy.
Right.
So I'm going to ask you to give us a little insight on how this all came about, because it really is one of those miracle stories.
It is, and we often just said the planets lined up because we couldn't really come up with a better explanation on some days. But we were inspired early on by the forecast for a devastating nursing shortage.
Right.
And realizing that we somehow were going to have to step up ourselves and with scarce resources figure out how to educate more nurses. And we also had a mandate from the nursing leadership in the state that to, as they put it, transform nursing education to more closely align with emerging healthcare needs and practices. And so we took this mission very seriously. We first decided that we would form a consortium, that we would build a partnership between community colleges and the state-supported 5-campus university. And that in this partnership, we would figure out how we could get more students more education, essentially, try to encourage them to continue on. We started with a number of agreements that we would have a common curriculum, which was, I'm not sure that we would have decided that had we known what it would take to get there. But once we were there, we celebrated it. So to do that, then we had to have a kind of structure that would work in both the community college system and in the university system. So we agreed pretty early that students would still be able to graduate from the community college program with an associate's degree and sit for the licensure exam, but that they would have a smooth transition to the university and be able to complete the work for the bachelor's degree in another year. So